Converting fractions to percentages. Convert the following fractions and mixed numbers to percentages. Remember why we want to do this. We want to do this so we can look at straight away which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. I'm going to show you why we multiply with 100 whenever we go to percentages, and then after that we'll just use the rule. So if I look at 3 out of 5, remember how we have equivalent fractions? Before, by multiplying with the same number above and underneath the line, because I'm multiplying by 100. Remember we said that if I want percentages, it means it is out of 100. So if I multiply by 100 over 100, it will give me a percentage. Why? Because I'm going to take this out, that 1 over 100, I'm going to say that is a percentage. So I'm going to say this equals 3 over 5 times 100, and that per percent is actually a percentage. Out of 100 is a percentage. So all I do when I add a percentage is I multiply it by 100, but I'm not multiplying by 100, I'm multiplying by 100 over 100, and the per 100 is the percentage sign. So this will be 3 over 5 times 100, and I'm just going to do that on my calculator. I'm going to say clear. I'm going to say 3 divided by 5 times 100, enter, and that will give me 60%. So that equals 60%. Okay, so now you know why we just multiply by 100 to add a percentage. And all we have to do now is just use that. So 7 out of 40 is 7 out of 40 times 100 equals, calculator, 7 divided by 40 times 100, enter, is 17.5%. 17.5%. 2 1/4. 2 1/4, we're going to say that is, either you can change it to a mixed number or you can use your calculator to put that in. So I'm going to say, there's my button. See that U over N, so it's going to be second function that, and it will give you then a mixed number. So that will be 2, use your arrows, and that is 1/4, 1 over 4. And that's how the thing looks like. And I'm going to multiply that by 100. Enter, it will give me 225. So what I did is I say 2 over 1/4 times by 100 equals 225. The other way of doing that is to say 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4 times 100. So that will be 9 divided by 4 times 100 will give us exactly the same answer. Okay, the last question, 2 over 3. We know what we do. We just say times 100. Oh, this is percent. So we're going to say 2 divided by 3 times 100. And if they don't tell us anything, we're always going to round down to 2 decimal places. So that is 66.66. 66 point, but if I want 2 decimal places, I look at the third value, my critical value, which is 6, which will make that a 7. That will be 66.67%.